We on our third event of the month. We headed to the Treasure Coast Mall in Jensen Beach, Florida. We're doing a back to school fashion show that we do every year with Dillard's Department Store. So it's hot, like y'all see, I'm sweating this truck. But hey, third week of the month, man. Let's make it happen. We just arrived here at Dillard's Department Store for their back to school fashion show that we do every year. So check it out, man. Like I said, I'm here at Dillard's Department Store, Jensen Beach Mall, and it's funny because I just had a couple pulled up on me. I'm gonna make sure I get their name so I can give them a proper shout out. They say they're coming back, but they was like, Bojack. So I looked over, was like, hey, what's up? So for one, everybody think my name Bojack, but I just roll with it because that's my father's name. But since I got this name on this truck, it's been my name for years, so I guess I'm Bojack now. But yeah, like I was saying, they pulled over and they was telling me that they watch me on YouTube. They subscribe to my YouTube channel. So man, it still just tripped me out, like how many people watch that stuff, because I don't be knowing who be watching it. But I appreciate y'all, man. So my niece got the chance to walk in a fashion show at Dillard's today in the Treasure Coast Mall, and this is what she picked out. Uh-oh.
She's also wearing Michael Kors or Donna Rain's
Man, just got back from Dillard's, man, and making money the easy part. It's coming to clean up, get this truck clean, wash all these dishes. That's the hard part. Shit.